Hello everyone, so I'm going to show you how to do the oil change reset on a Focus SE 2017 edition. And I just did it, so I know how to do it, thank God. So what you're going to do, so you start out, get in your car, put your key into ignition. Okay, so you're not going to turn it on, you're going to turn it 2 clicks, 1, 2. Your lights turn on, that turns on. Now my oil filter light was just on, I promise. Okay. So what you have to do now is your oil is gonna say oil change required. You're gonna put your left foot on the brake all the way. You're gonna push your right foot on the pedal all the way. Remember, your car is not on, and what's gonna happen is it's gonna say this right here: oil reset in progress. Okay, and you're gonna hold it. It does take a few minutes or seconds, not minutes, sorry. It says oil reset complete. Okay, at this point, remove your foot from both the brake and gas, cut on your car. My dad was not happy with that. That's funny. Should I do it again? Anyways, yeah, so your car is ready to purr on. This is after you should do your oil. Change your oil. Don't BS it. Change your oil. Bye.